And hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is Harley from the Fran Play, and it's another beautiful day, man. You know what I'm saying? Sorry I haven't uploaded recently. Trust me, I'm still going with this. There's no stopping me. We are on a roll. I'm telling you, we are on day 9 of 100 days of code. Okay, today is day 9. All right, we've learned a lot. We're doing a lot, and yeah, man, we made some projects. So let me go ahead and pull that up here. We made a couple of projects here. We're working on a choose your own adventure game. But we do have a let's go ahead and check out the. Let's do this one in a new window. So here we go. We got the, what the heck? Okay, I don't know why it wasn't letting me click and drag, but okay. So this right here, what? I don't want that open. Let's do that. I don't think I made any changes, did I? Okay. So anyway, we gotta commit and push our stuff. Yeah. So I started doing putting my stuff on GitHub. So I might put that in the comments down below, or in the description. Might put a link for that. But yeah, if you aren't already, make sure you're putting your stuff on GitHub, all of your projects, everything you're working on, even if you're copying tutorials, like put that stuff up there. I've been watching I think it's Tech with Tim, I think it's his name, Tech with Tim, but he does like these 5 mini projects, and that's kind of where I got my idea to want to do this. So I kind of followed along with him, and then I kind of started adding my own stuff to it. So right, you got like score, right? So what is this one? The number guesser game. So what I did that was different was, where were we at? Okay. So what I did different on this one. Oh, I think I added a score is what I did. So you start with 10 points. So I made like a score, and I made it count down. So if you get a guess right, you get a point, or yeah, you don't lose anything, I think, right? Guesses. So yeah, so it counts your guesses, and it counts how many times you lose. So therefore it'll take away 1 point away from score every time you lose. So right here, let's say, so while true, guesses plus equals 1 when the user so user guess equals input. So this will be our guess, and if user guess is a digit, user guess will turn our input, because this is a string data type, and we need to change it to an integer. So we'll turn our user guess into an integer, and then if it's not a number that we typed in there, it'll tell us to please type a number next time, and it'll run through and bring us back. So let's go ahead and test that out, right? So let's type D, so please type a number next time. Oh, it quits the code. Okay. I'm gonna figure out what happens if we put break here. What does that do? Oh, what does that do? Okay, I guess not. So anyway, I wanted to see what I'm gonna have to research some more into that, but yeah, so we went ahead. So you input random, right? Because we're using random numbers, because it asks us to input a number, right? So we'll do 10. Oh, okay, so it does work. So anyway, we'll type in a number, 4. Oh wow, I got it in 6 guesses, and I scored out of 10. So it doesn't count against you if you don't type in a number, but it does count the guesses because you kept typing. So we'll have to fix that one. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that we made this project, and that was fun. But I do have an ambitious project that I want to start, or that I was starting, which is a choose your own adventure game. I don't know why that opened over there. So with this one, this is just like the basic concept, but I think I'm going to change this. because I was kind of coding along, but I want to make my own thing, obviously, and so I'm learning quite a bit. So I'm gonna make a whole story, but it's gonna be with a twist. And what I wanted to add to it was almost like an RPG system where you have health points, you have stats, and you'll have to roll to to increase your stats for, like, in case you run across an enemy or you need to jump across some, things like that. Almost like D&D, right? You have stats. But I kind of wanted to do that with the choose your own adventure game, and then just ambitious, like a small. Obviously it's working with Python in a terminal. I'd have to use like Pygame or something, like, right? I don't know. I'm still learning, so we'll figure that out later on. But what I really wanted to go over today was mainly make sure you're keeping track of your notes. Like, this video isn't really a coding video today. It will go over some information. Like, we'll continue learning from what we're on, because I do have to go to bed soon. But keep track of all your notes. Like, this is all the notes from the beginning, but it's not including all of it because I have stuff on my work laptop. So and I even think, where's that, line 300, right? Notes, yeah, so 399 right here. Notes continued from work laptop. So I already had taken some notes on my work laptop, and I should probably put them on a flash drive and copy and paste to fill in the spot. But yeah, I mean, I've been working hard, been studying every day, and not only am I studying on Python, but I'm also studying on Udemy, which is the complete. We won't start it, but I don't want to get in trouble. I just want to go to the page. Don't start it, please. Okay. Oh, thank God. I just wanted to show you guys the one I've been learning from. So far, I really like Miss Yu's or Dr. Yu. I really like her teaching style. She talks slow, which like allows users to, like, because you can speed up the videos. You know how on YouTube you got playback speed. Well, you can change that on here too. In case you didn't know that, I'm sure those of you that are coding and use Udemy, y'all know that. But with her, she showcases a lot of stuff, and the way she talks, you can speed it up and go through her lessons a lot faster. And I kind of know quite a bit of stuff. I mean, I don't know. Obviously, I don't know everything. Nobody does. But because I've been through a coding boot camp, so I guess the point I'm trying to get to is I know kind of some of the stuff that she's teaching, and then we need to get to. I want to get here. That's my goal, but I haven't gotten there yet. I've been busy with work and personal life. We're trying to buy a home, and there's a lot going on. But I have been sticking to my learning. I've been learning every day. But yeah. With that being said, I know this is a very long intro, and this video will probably not go on for maybe like another 12 minutes or so. So, but I just want to say, those of you that have been here with me so far, new subscribers, new viewers, people from Twitter, it doesn't matter. I just want to say thank you guys so much. Y'all are so amazing, especially the ones that have been becoming my friends and helping me along the way. I'm very grateful for all of you, and it's an amazing journey to like see all of this unfold, because this is what I've always wanted to do, and this is what I've wanted to become, and I'm starting to get to a place of understanding and learning. And now, programming is a huge learning curve. Obviously, there's a lot to learn. Like, over here, we got machine learning, right? Machine learning, matplotlib, right? Things like that. I don't even know what matplotlib is yet. We got a long way to go, but I'm gonna document it, and I'm hoping within the next 6 months we'll see a lot of progress. We'll see a lot of growth. And I really want to bring you guys with me. This is almost like a whole new vlog update video, and I might just make it that, and then I'll make another video for learning. But I just want to say thank you guys so much again. I'm so grateful, and I want to thank Mr. Solver. Thank you, bud. Pete, want to say thank you. And of course, my family, I want to say thank you, and my friends that have been very supportive. I'm very grateful to have all of you in my life, and yeah, I know I keep saying but it's just, you know, I feel something in me, and it's hard to express things sometimes, and I wish I had all the right words to be able to express how grateful and thankful I am for this life, and for the journey that I'm on, and for the amazing people in my life. But that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for tuning into this update. I love you guys all so much. Please subscribe, please like, and I'm not trying to beg, but it's we're trying to grow, and I want to help all of you grow in your success and where you want to be, and hopefully me showing you that it's possible to learn, it's possible to do things even though you had a full-time job, even though you got kids, even though you have a family and home and all these responsibilities to take care of. You can still do it. You can still do it. I worked very hard to get to where I am today, and I'm just so proud of myself, actually. And yeah, but anyway, guys, thank you all so much. I love y'all, and y'all have a good night. I'll see you guys very soon. Right after this, I'm jumping into a learning video so we can continue documenting our journey. So, all right, peace.